Before you watch the video, subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon for notifications. Hi, welcome to AGAA-MATH. This is Rakesh. Today we are going to discuss about coordinate geometry concept. Already we have made a good number of videos, like including derivations of the different formulas which we use in coordinate geometry. So a student asked me about a question, so that is I'm going to show you now. So this is a question. Find the points which divide the line segment joining A -4, 0 and B 0, 6 into 4 equal parts. Okay, so let us take a segment here first of all, right? So this is a segment, and let us name it as, this is A, which is -4, 0, and this is B, which is 0, 6. Okay, so segment joining the points A and B. Okay, I just joined these 2 points. Okay, and ask that divide the line segment into 4 equal parts. So to divide into 4 equal parts, how many points to be placed on this segment? Hey, it's so easy, right? So generally to divide into 2 parts, I use a 1 point. Now, but I want to into 4 equal parts, so I have to place 3 points. Let's that this is point C, D, E. So let's assume that C, D and E are the 3 points which are dividing this segment into 4 equal parts. Okay, so also so as there are 4 equal parts, that means A to C is 1 unit, C to D is 1 unit, D to E is 1 unit, and E to B is 1 unit. So total 4 equal parts. Now the question is about to find the coordinates of C, coordinates of D, coordinates of E. Okay, now if you observe the D from A to D, if you see that, so it is 2 units. From D to B also it is 2 units. What does it mean? D is the midpoint of AB. Yes, so we have to understand that D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of AB. So let us find the midpoint of AB then. We in the previous videos we already shown the derivation of midpoint formula. So here I write what is a midpoint. So that is midpoint, that is x comma y equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So here you have to find the midpoint of AB, right? To find the midpoint of AB, let us see here. Okay, so to find the midpoint of AB, so in this case let's take that A is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2. So substitute. So midpoint of AB, that is x comma y equals to x1 is -4 plus x2 is 0 by 2 comma y1 0 plus y2 is 6 by 2. And if you simplify these both, -4 plus 0 is -4, so that is -4 by 2 comma 6 by 2. that is 3, or else you can write as 6 by 2. And if you simplify more, what you get is like this is minus 2, because 2 1s 2 2s, and this is 2 1s 2 3s. So minus 2 comma 3, which is the midpoint of AB, that is nothing but D. So I do one thing, so here D x comma y. So the order pair of D we got is minus 2 comma 3, right? So that is minus 2 comma 3. Now let's observe about C here. If you observe the C, okay, if we observe the point C, let's see that A to C is 1 unit and C to D is 1 unit. It means what? C is also midpoint of AD. We know the ordered pair of A as well as the ordered pair like coordinates of D also. So now you have to find the midpoint of AD, right? So midpoint of AD, let us. So midpoint of AD, let's write here. Midpoint of AD is C, right? So to find C now, okay, to find C, that is x comma y equals to, let's take that A, this is x1 y1 and D is x2 y2. Apply the same formula here, okay, x1 plus x2, it means minus 4 plus of minus 2, so that is minus 4 minus 2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2, y1 is 0 and y2 is 3, it means 0 plus 3 by 2. And if you simplify this, you get minus 6 by 2 comma 3 by 2, right? And let's simplify more. So what you get is, that is minus 3 comma 3 by 2. So this is the ordered pair of C, which is a midpoint, minus 3 comma 3 by 2, minus 3 comma 3 by 2. So here let us write minus, this is, sorry, the point C is minus 3 comma 3 by 2. Now here we have to find the point E, right? Now let us see about how to find the point E. Similarly, the way we did to find the point C, here also we can use the midpoint formula to find the point E, because we know that, right, from D to E is 1 unit and E to B is also 1 unit. It means it is a midpoint of DB. E is the midpoint of DB. Okay, so E is the midpoint of DB, where D minus 2 comma 3 and B 0 comma 6. Okay, so remember that D is minus 2 comma 3 right. So let us find the midpoint of DB. Midpoint of DB is E. So it's about just like to find the point E x comma y. Okay, so DB, if you take the points of D is minus 2 comma 3, in that case So dB means, here I write what D is. D is minus 2 comma 3 and E is 0 comma 6. So this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So substitute x1 plus x2. x1 is minus 2 plus x2 is 0 by 2. This is x coordinate, and coming to the y coordinate, y1 is 3 plus y2 is 6 by 2. So that means it is equals to so it is minus 2 by 2 comma 9 by 2, and if you simplify that you would get minus 1 comma 9 by 2. So the point E is minus 1 comma 9 by 2. So point E is minus 1 comma 9 by 2. So this is the point E. So what are the 3 points? That is C minus 3 comma 3 by 2, D minus 2 comma 3, and E minus 1 comma 9 by 2. So these are the points which divide the line segment into 4 equal parts. Okay, this is about how to find this, children. So this is for today's. For any more queries and questions, you can please give us mail at askagaamath@gmail.com, or else you can also post questions to my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 97010699634. You can post any math question. Okay, sure, we come up with all those explanation to make you learning. Thank you. Keep watching AGAA-MATH. Take care. Bye bye. See you.